Man, I am so glad we got that Roomba. Remember when you used to have to vacuum all day?
Yeah, it's great. It's just...
Just what?
No, it's stupid.
No, tell me.
Well, do you ever get the feeling the Roomba's trying to impersonate me and steal my identity?
What?
Well, it's just, I used to vacuum every day, you know, and now the Roomba's vacuuming every day. That's how it starts.
Okay, it's a Roomba, Alex. That's what Roombas do, they vacuum.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm being so silly.
That's okay.
All right, let's just keep watching Buffy the Vampire
Oh,
Slayer.
yes, the mayor is the best villain.
Season 3 is so good.
It is so good. Hey, if you're gonna go to the kitchen, can you grab me some popcorn? Oh my God! Oh, he must have sucked up your spare glasses with his suction cups. Oh, that is so funny.
Megan, you thought the Roomba was me.
Okay, no, I saw your glasses out of the corner of my eye. Okay, you don't look like a Roomba. You're much you're taller.
This isn't funny, Megan.
Alex, do you really think you look like a Roomba?
No. I'm being weird.
Yes.
Okay, just forget I said anything.
Okay. You know what? Actually, I have to pee-pee. So can you pause it because I do not want to miss when Buffy wins the Class Protector Award.
Sure
That's my
thing.
favorite part.
Yep. Alex here.
Hey Alex, this is Gordon at Albert & Weiss LLP. You know, you really impressed us yesterday, and we were wondering if you could start Monday.
I got the job. Yes, of course, yeah.
Yeah, you had a good interview, but you know, when you came back 40 minutes later and vacuumed the entire office, it really put you over the edge, man. It showed you a real go-getter.
I'll see you Monday. You're not gonna get away with this. You're not gonna steal my life. You hear me, Roomba? Don't. Wait.
Alex! What's going on?
The Roomba got me the job at Gordon & Weiss.
Okay, didn't you interview for that?
Yes! But then the Roomba...
You gotta check.
Listen to me.
Oh my God, it
Listen
sucked
to
up
me.
your hat.
Yeah. The Roomba... Okay, look. I interviewed for the job at Gordon & Weiss. But then the Roomba vacuumed. Which is what Roombas do.
Alex, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm being an idiot. Let's just watch Buffy fight these hellhounds. I love this episode.
Alex, do you think all you are is a person who vacuums?
Maybe.
You're so much more than that. Okay, you're my boyfriend. You're always there for me, even when I'm at my worst. Okay, you listen, you're kind, and you're sweet, and you're super hot. Okay? Roomba can't be all those things.
Thanks, Megan. Hey, I love you.
I love you too. All right, let's watch Buffy because she's the best face actress I've ever seen.
This is where it all happens.
It's all happens in the face.
Oh, I'm gonna get some popcorn.
Oh, okay, good.
Do not start without me.
Okay, fine, whatever.